Waksak idolo.
This is Joseph Motovlogs. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Paki-click na rin yung notification bell para lagi tayong update sa bago nating video. Yan mga idolo, no? Sensya na, no, kung bibihira ako mag-upload ngayon. Alam niyo naman yung nangyari sa akin. At medyo may problema pa kasi kami ngayon. Pwede rin ako makapag-focus sa pagko-content or anumang gawain. Siyempre bago natin umpisa ng lahat, alam na this. Malapit na intro. Pasok.
Welcome to my channel. Navigating. I am Joseph Motovlogs.
Motor na nakapila sa'kin, hindi ka magsisisi na. Alam mo siguro hindi ako magaling, nigga. Tingnan mo ang bawat review na mo to sa video, lahat nakapila. Sa una mahirap, sige tingnan ang bawat pinaghirapan. Sa una talaga kaya nagsikap, kaya lahat ng mayaban na ayabangan. Sige tingnan mo, kaya mo. Huwag ka puro yabang, magsikap ka muna. Sige tingnan mo, kaya mo. Huwag ka puro yabang, magsikap ka muna.
Joseph Motovlogs, 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 Joseph Motovlogs.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally, everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching, don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this, don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching,